Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the patient receipt. A patient receipt is made out to a patient after paying for a consultation or paying the account outstanding. The money was received from the patient and not the medical aid. A patient receipt can only be made out to a patient or debtor making a payment, not the medical aid. Please note that we will do a receipt on an invoice which was already made out on the patient or debtor's name. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. From the diary screen, click on the booking of the patient for whom a receipt will be generated. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the receipt button on the diary sidebar. The capture receipt screen will open. An explanation will be given for each field and option that is required to complete a patient receipt. Date is a year, month, and day on which the transaction has taken place. Click on the date field to open the date picker. Select the appropriate date from the calendar on which the transaction has taken place. Please note that the default date will be today's date. Cash ledger is a financial journal that contains all transactions for a specific type of receipt and payment. The entries will be posted to a general ledger, for example, card, electronic, petty cash, bank, cash, corrections, and check, etc. Click on the Please Specify Ledger Type drop-down menu to select to which ledger the funds will be allocated. Please note that the options that are available will be determined by the ledgers that have been set up for the practice. For more information on how to add a new ledger, please refer to the Add a New Ledger user manual linked in this video's description. Payment type is a method that has been used by which the payment has been received. Click on the Payment Type drop-down menu and select the applicable option from the list. Comments are any additional information that relates to the payment or receipt. Click on the Comments field, which is a free text field, and complete the applicable comments. Reference number is the number allocated to the receipt that is used to reference back to the transaction. Click on the Reference number field, which is a free text field, and complete the applicable comments. Total is the outstanding amount that the patient is liable for. Please note that to make a partial payment from the patient, the desired amount can be entered into the total field. Click on the Allocate to Patient Amount button to automatically assign all unallocated funds to the patient amount. Alternatively, enter the desired amount to pay in the relevant fields, which will correspond to the unpaid invoice. Please note that the total field will update automatically when the user enters an amount in the patient amount field. For more information regarding all the other options available on the receipt sidebar, please refer to the receipt screen overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to cancel the request and return to the diary screen without saving. An attention pop-up will appear to advise the user that they might have unsaved changes and if they would like to exit anyway. Click on the Cancel button to ignore the request to close without saving any changes and return to the Capture Receipt screen. Click on the OK button to exit the screen without saving and return to the diary screen. Click on the Post drop-up menu for more options. Click on the Post and Print button in order for the transaction to be posted to the system and the receipt to be printed. Click on the Downloaded Receipt PDF document. The print screen will open. The user is able to print the downloaded receipt PDF document by selecting the applicable printer as well as the amount of copies to be printed. Click on the Print button to print the receipt. Click on the Post button to post the transaction to the system and return to the diary screen.